Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our barbecue pork, everybody. Yes, it's going to be shredded in a little while, but look at this. This is how we add flavor. Do you see the seasonings that's on here? You got to have flavor, especially when you're doing pork products, because they need a lot of flavor. You know, it needs to have that nice silkiness, wonderful taste that just melts in your mouth. So we put it in the crock pot and we let it cook, everybody, for 3 hours on high, okay? And then we went on and looked at this. We said, oh, this is really nice. We will let it went on and completely cook for another hour, but we turned it over. I just wanted to show you the caramelization of the seasonings and the flavor. That's all flavor down there. And we had added onion in it as well in the beginning and the bottom, so we can have that flavor, okay? Now look at this. We can shred it. It just comes right off of the bone, everybody. Look at that. Just makes you want to slap somebody, but look at that. That's flavor. We're going to dip it all up in them juices right there, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. You know, Grandmother, this is one of the easiest recipes because you can just throw it into a crock pot. You know, I just love the crock pot. You know, this is the time of year when everybody needs out the old Bertha crock pot. I remember you used to say that. Yeah, bring out Bertha. Bertha gonna get the cooking for you. You go to sleep. You can come with the nice open meal. So anyway, this is what we do. We shredded up everything right here. We added in our baby Ray's barbecue, everybody. It has to be baby Ray's. That's the only way we go around here. Nice and thick. It's perfect. The taste is everything. So we mix it on up really nice. Look at everything. It's just so tender. It's just so delicious. And this is how we do it for NFL football as well. So we're ready for the NFL game for Thursday night. This was actually on this past Sunday night, but this is very simple to do, and it stretches. And look at the onions in there. This is simply delicious. It was delicious. It was so tender. Exactly, and that's what the crock pot does, especially when you're doing pork stuff like that. But anyway, look at this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put these on some nice buns, and we're gonna have our homemade potato chips. Everybody, go look up our recipe on our YouTube channel how we made these scrumptious potato chips. But this is the pork bun sandwiches, everybody. Look at that. It's a meal in itself, and we have our barbecue chips there, homemade barbecue chips right there. So yeah, follow us on YouTube for a lot more. We have a lot more coming soon, everybody. You guys, happy holidays. Have a wonderful day. We love you. Bye, you guys.